breakfast, but I didn't have to make my own coffee today, so that's a win. I'm not sure what direction I'm going yet. I could either go straight down the highway to Ivry, or I could take this side route and go an extra 35 kilometres to some beehive tombs, which are pretty old. I've been looking for old stuff, so maybe I should make the excursion. I'm taking the side trip. I've only 4 days left in Oman on my visa, but I can afford this one last excursion. Just need to do a bit over 60 kilometres a day. Should be fine. It's quite a bit cooler this morning and hazy too. It's the first day of the year my solar panel hasn't immediately turned on at sunrise. No, still not yet. Winter is coming. Meanwhile, I can still charge my power bank through the dynamo in my front hub, but I have two power banks, so it's always nice to charge both at the same time if possible. Even if these beehive tombs don't amount to much, these mountains are gorgeous, especially this swirly one here. I think on the other side of the wadi, that's my path there. Apparently these tombs are between 4,000 and 5,000 years old, which means you will never hear me complain again there's nothing old in Oman. Extra 30 or 40 kilometres have definitely been worth it. I didn't realise I'd be going halfway round, it feels, Jebel Misht. Awesome. It's 1 PM and my solar panel has just come on. Had me a little bit nervous for a while. Oman business hours, but not before I got the Wi-Fi code, and I'm currently enjoying the England-Wales game belatedly. It's 3-0. It's not quite as good watching it on the phone, but I'm very happy now. Alright, all stocked up, just need to smash out 20 kilometres and then I'm right on track, even with my 90 minutes of football delay. more beehive tombs, albeit in a poorer state of repair. These ones have obviously been rebuilt, so I think it's okay to take a peek inside. If I can fit. They're far smaller inside than I realised. I can't quite stand up, although I could just about lie down, so I am inclined to camp in it, but I won't. And it's all just held together by gravity. There's no mortar. The wall of this one is 2 meters thick at least. Not very graceful exit. Woo. In case you're wondering, it is fenced in only on 3 sides, which I think is just to keep traffic from coming in any which way. So this side is open, you can see the trucks. So all the 4-wheel drives, and I got in, so I think it's okay to camp here. Time for Muslims to pray, time for me to make camp. I was just thinking what a gorgeous sunset it is, and it's because I haven't seen one for a while. There's just been no clouds. This is the first one I've seen in ages. Hooray! I found a different can at the village store. Fava beans instead of the usual hummus and baba ganoush.